na we are promoting, advocating. But we would like, kami kasi would like to focus on women in politics
Yeah.
because it's still kulang.
Kulang, yeah. You're
One, because it's still our culture ba?
I see.
Kung minsan culture
Culture natin.
when we talk about gender development, the culture is still, na, my role ka as a woman.
Yeah.
Kasi nga,
Yeah,
Oo.
yeah, exactly.
So, but now we're breaking the divide there because there are now women who are also now, But yun na nga, because of our mindset na parang yung women, they're not capable, parang ganun ba? And women also themselves don't support the women.
Yeah.
Because we cannot say that any woman.
Yeah.
Kasi, who are we going to support as a woman leader? Does she have the qualities
Yeah.
of a woman leader? Not. See?